Hello everyone, this is our AI revenue recovery agent built for Buildathon for which is conducted by RazorPay under the tag 3. The main problem we are solving is payment revenue loss. When a payment fails, the system should not blindly retry it. It should understand the reason, check the risk, decide whether recovery is safe, and then take the right action. Our main focus is safe and explainable revenue recovery. Let me show the architecture of our system. Let me quickly explain the architecture. Payment events first entered through our ingestion layer. The system validates and normalizes the incoming payment data. Next, the disk detector calculates a risk score and assign a risk level. Then we have a root case analysis. This identifies the reason behind the payment problem, such as bank decline, expired card, and another failure condition. After that comes the most important part of our system, the deterministic policy gateway. The policy gateway is the final authority for financial actions. It checks safety and compliance conditions such as do not contact flags, stolen cards, revoked mandates, retry limits, and bank related rules. The gateway blocks or stops AI is skipped completely. Only when the gateway says allowed can the bounded layer AI layer can be used. AI generates only the customer tiny messages. It does not decide the financial actions. The AI output then goes through our validator. Finally, the AI approved action is executed, the outcome is recorded, and the complete process is stored in SQLite with an audit role. Now I will run the actual pipeline using our synthetic payment data. This processes the payment events. This is the most important point that the system does not generate AI responses. It performs risk analysis, root cases analysis, policy checking, bounded AI generation, validation, action execution, and audit recording. Let me show the dashboard. The dashboard has 10 sections. Overview. The dashboard had 10 sections. Overview, dataset, history, dataset details, recovery performance, root case analysis, action analysis, audit trail, policy and AI intelligence, failure analysis, all dataset aggregate. I will focus on the section that are most important for this demonstration. This is an overview, the main business overview. For this batch, we process 170 events. The dashboard shows approximately 4 lakhs 2000 at risk. The total amount recovered revenue is 1 lakh 7,000. The agent recovery rate is 26%. This gives us the measurable business result instead of only showing that the AI generated some messages. Let me show the root case analysis. Here we can see the reason behind the payment failures. The purpose of the stage is to understand why the revenue is at risk before deciding what to do. Let me show the action analysis. This here we can see the action selected by the system such as retrieves, reminders, escalation, and no action decision, and successfully event recovered events. The important point is that these financial actions come from our policy layer, not directly generated by AI. Let me show the policy and AI intelligence. In that, uh, let me show which is blocked by AI. EL is an escalated, which means completely ignored by the AI. This is one of the important parts of our demonstration. Let me first show our blocked or skipped. Here, the policy gate has rejected the recovery action because the event was not allowed. AI is not used. This is the most important safety boundary. Now I will select an allowed event, which is 57. For an allowed event, the system can use a AI to generate a customer-friendly recovery message and suggest an appropriate timing. The AI output is then validated before execution. The validator checks the structure and safety of the AI response. If AI fails, the system can use a deterministic fallback instead of stopping the entire recovery pipeline. So AI improve the recovery communication and but does not control the financial decision. Let me show the audit trail. S- Every important decision is recorded in our audit trail. We can see the event, the decision, and the action reason and the processing information. So to summarize our system, our system takes payment event, detects revenue risk, identify root case, applies a deterministic safety policy, uses bounded AI only when it is allowed, validates AI output, execute the approved recovery action, and record the complete result. The key idea is simple. AI helps with recovery intelligence, but the policy gateway remains in control of financial action. This gives us a system that is not only AI powered but also bounded, explainable, measurable, and designed for safety revenue recovery. Thank you.